Hey, what's up, everybody? Pastor Mike Jr. here. Put fire signs in the comments right now, man. I just got out of church, and what I just heard is enough to make me just tell God, thank you. I told you last week I needed you praying because myself, Anthony Brown, and Dietrich Haddon were having a huge meeting. Guess what? God answered our prayers, man. McDonald's is the official partner of the I Got Away tour. McDonald's Inspiration Celebration Gospel Tour is the official partner of the I Got Away tour. That means that in every city that we go to, the tickets will be absolutely free. You get a chance to experience the I Got Away tour for free. Go to IGotAwayTour.com right now and reserve your tickets. And we're going to another level. I'm so pleased to announce that Bree Babineau is joining us on the tour. That's right. In what world do you get Bree Babineau, Anthony Brown, Dietrich Haddon, Pastor Mike Jr., and so many others for free? Thank you to McDonald's Inspiration Celebration Gospel Tour. Go to IGotAwayTour.com right now and get your tickets. They're absolutely free. Let's go.